Hello students, welcome in ninth Math Part 2 class. Today we are going to study third chapter, that is triangles. Before this standard you have studied regarding triangles, but today we are going to study on triangle theorems. These theorems are given in this chapter. We will start that. In this you have to do one activity. Draw a triangle of any measure on a thick paper. Take T point on QR shown in this figure. Cut two pieces of thick paper which will exact fit on the corner of angle P and angle Q. See that the same two pieces fit exactly at the corner of angle PRT as shown in figure. Means you have to cut this piece and keep here. It will fit in this corner. You do in home. Next we are going to study theorem of a remote interior angle triangle. Here the sentence is given that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. This is exterior angle and these are remote angles, interior angles, remote interior angles. Here P and here Q. So what is given here? Angle PRS is equal to angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Means this angle and this angle addition. Means this addition and this addition is equal to this angle. So we are going to prove that this statement, that is angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Let us prove that sum of all angles of triangle, these three angles are here in this triangle, this measure is equal to 180 degree. Means three angles measure of this triangle will become 180. So that therefore angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degrees. Means these three angles measure is equal to 180 degree. This is the equation 1. Then we are going to see that angle PRQ, here it is that angle. And the next angle plus we are taking that PRS means here. Then this and this measure will be 180 degrees because it is a linear pair, angle of linear pair. Here it is taken. Then from 1 and 2, we are taking this one equation for left side and this equation 2 for right side. Then we are eliminating this angle PRQ from left side and from right side PRQ. We are eliminating. So what is remain? Angle PQR plus angle QPR. And here what is remain? This is PRS. Means this angle plus this angle is equal to this angle here. Therefore, we are eliminated the angle from this side and we got this. Therefore, the measure of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. this remote two angles and it is a exterior angle. This sum of P and Q is equal to this exterior angle measure. Okay, we will using this in solving examples. Here, property of exterior angle of a triangle. This is the exterior angle. Okay, which is that PRS. This is the exterior angle. So here it is one thing is given, the sum of two positive number A and B, that is A plus B is greater than A and greater than B also. So that A plus B is greater than A and A plus B is greater than B. You see here, these two are, when we are taking separately, then also when two's addition is there, that is greater than other. Therefore, using this inequality, we get one property related to exterior angle of a triangle. If angle PRS is a exterior angle of a triangle PQR, then angle PRS is greater than angle P, and even angle PRS is greater than angle Q. Therefore, an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angle. Next, we are going to solve examples. Here, see the measure of triangles, angles is given. The measure of angle of triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. Find the measures of each angle. So that let us use the measure of angles of triangle 5x, 6x and 7x. Here we are taking, before this studied that measure of angle of triangle of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 5x plus 6x plus 7x is equal to 180 degrees. Addition of these three, we will get 18x. Therefore, 18x is equal to 180. Then we are dividing by 18 here. Then we will get 18 ones are 18 and 1 0. So that x is equal to 10. Therefore, we get the measure of each angle. 5x1 is 5x. 5x value is 10. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. 6x, 6 into 10 is equal to 60. And 7x, 7 into 10, 70. Therefore, measure of angle of triangles are 58, 50 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree. In next example, in the figure they are given that angle PRS is here and angle RTS, this angle is here. We have to see what is the measure of these two angles. The solution is that angle PRS is an exterior angle of this triangle, the triangle PQR, and here it is exterior angle. So that from the theorem of remote interior angle, according to, we have studied the theorem that remote interior angle, this means this P angle and Q angles are remote interior angle. This two's measure is equal to that exterior angle. Therefore, it is taken here angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QRP. This angle and this angle made a addition for exterior angle. This PQR is 40 degrees and QPR is 30 degrees. Here it is given, so that we are making addition of this. We got a 70. Then we are going this another triangle. That triangle is RTS. Here we got a 70 degree. This angle R is this place we got R 70 degree. Therefore, we are going to see that this triangle's measure of these angles. Therefore, we are taking this angle TRS, TRS, angle RTS and angle TSR here. It's all angles of this triangle measure is 180 degree. Then we got the measure of angle of this and TRS. TRS. Here it is 70 degree, isn't it? So that we will feel that one. That is 70 degree. And then this angle is already given. What is given that? That is 20. The measure of 70 and 20 is equal to 90. And this angle RTS is taken as it is. Therefore, angle RTS plus angle this measure of 2 is 90 is equal to 180. Therefore, this angle's measure means RTS. RTS. Here it is angle. That angle's measure is, we are making them, taking this 90 for this side, making minus, then we will get it is a 90 degree. So we are fill these two angles measure. This we got a 70 degree and here it we got it is a 90 degree. This exterior, this one is a here at a T plus. Okay, here it is we got a 90 degree. So thank you. You do the theorem in home. It will be asked many times and it is asked and it may be asked, so that do practice of this theorem and solve the examples, and next solved examples are removed from this year from the portion. So you do not do that, only this much you do and solve other examples.